Hello guys, so today magluluto tayo ng apritadang baboy. So our simple recipe is we have potato and carrots here, garlic and onion, we have our pork here, and we have the chicken flavor bouillon, tomato paste, low sodium soy sauce, that is a pepper right there, and a little bit of fish sauce for flavoring. Let's get started, guys. Okay guys, mag-umpisa na tayo. Mainit-init na tong pot na to, and what I'm gonna do, what I normally do is nilalagay ko po yung karne para maalis yung taba-taba. Karne muna. We're gonna go ahead and palabasin yung mga taba-taba niya. While nakalagay na dyan, ang natutunan ko sa mga magulang ko, or especially from my mom, normally lalagyan muna ng asin para lumabas yung masarap na flavor, tapos kakagat din yung flavor, and that will help with makakatulong yan sa paglabas din ng taba. So ganyan lang po siya. Lalagyan na natin yung asin. Manonotice po ninyo lalabas yung natural juice ng karne. Okay? So we'll go ahead and leave it as is for now. And we're gonna cover it. Let it cook. Kasi lalabas yung taba niya. So, okay, as you guys can see, may mga taba-taba nang lumabas. I saw the fat coming all out. It's making the meat kind of brown too. You can see it. We don't need to even use oil because we're using the oil from the pork fat. Okay. And when we have enough oil to come out of the pork, that's when we throw in our onion. There we go. Turn it around. Cook it for a little bit. We throw in our garlic. Easy as that. We're gonna put the cover because we want to caramelize the onion and the garlic. Okay, let's open it and see if it's caramelized. That's perfect right there. Now we put in, because we want to make sure this pork is soft, nice and soft, so we're gonna put, normally people use chicken stock, but I'll use regular water because I have my chicken base for later. So this is 2 cups of water. Okay, and then that's when I put in my, this right here, chicken bouillon, and then we put our pepper, it looks like a lot, but that's not much. We put a little bit of soy sauce, and I'm using the low sodium soy sauce. Okay, I don't use the regular soy sauce because for me it's too salty. And then I'm gonna add a little kick of a flavor. I'm gonna put fish sauce. Okay, it's good enough for now. I'm gonna stir it around, and we're gonna put the cover and let it cook for maybe 15 minutes, and we're gonna come back and check it. And if it's still not soft enough, we're gonna put more water and then cover it up probably for another 15 minutes. But we'll be back in 15 minutes, guys. Let's put the cover now. So guys, it's been 15 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and try, see if the meat is nice and soft. Stir it up. I have one piece of meat here. It's just a small one. Let's try it. Okay. You know what? Let's put another 15 minutes. Okay? So we'll be back in another 15 minutes. Okay, that's 15 minutes is past. Let's try and see again. See how you guys notice it? It's almost drying. The stock is kind of like down to like almost none. So we're gonna try and taste it again. See. Try to see if the meat is nice and soft. Okay. It's okay. So now we can put our tomato paste. A little bit of water. And actually, guys, the taste is enough. If I do want to put some more later, I will put, but for now, I don't want to add any sodium, pepper, or soy sauce, whatnot. Okay. And then half a can more. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and put our potato and carrots. That goes there. And then I forgot to mention, we are putting our bay leaf. Okay? Forgot to mention that. And then we're gonna cover this for a good 15 minutes. Let's check after 15 minutes, see if our potato and carrots is cooked. So we're gonna go ahead and put our cover on a medium heat, and we'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 15 minutes, so let's go check if our potato and carrots are ready. It's raining outside. Okay, let's mix it. And then we're gonna see if carrots is ready. Okay, carrots is ready. And then the potato. Yep, it should be ready. There you have it, guys. And we're gonna taste this together. I don't need to put any more salt, pepper, soy sauce, and fish sauce, because it's whatever I put on the very beginning part of this video is already perfect. So let's taste it. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put some on our bowl. I have rice right here, white rice. Take some of the meat, the potato, and carrots, some of the sauce. And what I like with this is, as I was saying, what I like with this, with my afritada, we actually call this pork stew here in United States, but Philippines afritada ang tawag dito, and I like to eat mine with sriracha. A kick of a spice in there, and let's taste it. The pork first, if it's nice and tender. They're hot. The meat is nice and tender, really nice. So the taste is perfectly fine. It's not salty, it's not bland, because the beginning part of this video, when we put the meat, we try to put a little bit of salt in it and then make the natural oil, the fat from the pork, to come out, and we use it as an oil, and it has up a lot of flavor in that one. Okay, so let's try the potato. And this is really good, especially rainy season. But afritada, you can eat it anytime. Doesn't have to be rainy season, doesn't have to be summer, it's anytime. So there you have it. I'm gonna taste some carrots too. This is perfect. I love it. There you have it. Thank you for watching my channel. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, and enjoy the afritada. Mahalo. Salamat po.